Now we'll go to SQLi-LABS GitHub repository. The link will be given in the description. We'll copy this path and open a terminal from lamp htdocs and paste and clone it there. After that, we will have SQLi-LABS in our lamp htdoc folder. Here. Now we will start XAMPP using XAMPP Manager. If you don't know how to download and install XAMPP, you can check my previous video. We will start XAMPP and we'll go and start the servers, MySQL database and Apache web server. Now we'll go to SQLi-LABS directory, rename and copy the name of the directory. We will go to the URL path. Here it says reset database for lab. Before that, we will go to this folder, scroll down, we'll go to SQL connections, dbcreds inc, open. Here, okay, it is root and the password is blank. Perfect. So we will close this file, we'll go back, we'll go to htdoc. Actually, we have to reset the database so that we can start using. These are all get error based injection, error based, and get post error based. We can practice all these vulnerabilities with this lab. First, we will reset the database. It will take some time, a couple of seconds or even a couple of minutes. After that, we are good to go, and then we can practice our skills. We can learn web application penetration testing, and after solving each lab, we will be good to go and go for web application penetration testing and find some vulnerabilities in web application. This is done. We will go back, can go to advanced injection, page 1 basic injection, stack injection, challenges. Okay, I think I have to click the database. After you practice and find the way to hack into these databases by using SQL injection, we can always go back and reset the database again so that we can start our lab fresh. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. We have successfully installed our labs that are located in htdocs.